EdTech coordinators, instructional designers, curriculum leads, and tech integration specialists. We know your struggle. Selecting tools that actually work in classrooms feels like searching for a needle in a haystack of buzzwords. Implementation often devolves into chaotic pilots with no clear metrics, while district leaders demand ROI proof. This pack changes everything. Leverage ISTE certified evaluation frameworks, run LTI compliant tool pilots, build custom training modules with SCORM packaging, and track outcomes using pre-built SMART goal dashboards. Spoiler alert, it's easier than explaining why another AI-powered tool crashed during a demo. Here's what's inside the Educational Technology Pack. Phase 1. EdTech Stack Auditing with SAMR Model Alignment. Phase 2. LTI 1.3 Integration Blueprints for SSO Compatibility. Phase 3. Teacher Upskilling via Micro-Credentialing Pathways. Phase 4. Impact Measurement using Effect Size Calculations and ESSA Tiered Evidence Frameworks. Phase 5. Iterative Improvement Cycles powered by classroom telemetry data. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Transform tech chaos into measurable learning gains. Installing the Educational Technology Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add educational-technology-pack. That's it. You'll get 12 working modules, including tool evaluation rubrics, LTI integration scripts, and multi-tiered dashboards. Next time you open Claude Code, your AI assistant becomes an EdTech implementation wizard, ready to generate RFPs, debug integrations, or calculate ROI. Warning: sudden effectiveness might cause district administrators to ask uncomfortable questions about your secret sauce.